Hello, today is the 9th day. I have to cover this short video, and today we are giving them something that will boost their immunity, that will strengthen their health, so that their health system will not be compromised. If you look here now, you can see that they are starved of water. There is no water here. There is no food here. There is no water. There is no food. Only want to make them a bit dehydrated, so that once the immune booster comes in, they will be able to take it quickly without wasting it. That is the reason for starving them water. You can see them. You can see them. You can see their size now. This is the 9th day. You can see 9 days only. You can see their size. You can see their legs. You can see how big they are. 9 days, just 9 days chicken. You can see 9 days. This is the 9th day. Remember, we started this process from day 1. This is the 9th day. There is no food here. There is no water here. We need to fortify their immunity today. The first time, to make sure their health system is not compromised. Even now, and till the end of the rearing stage, you can see their sizes. You can see them, they are very big. They are weighing more than 200 grams. You can see them. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching till we're going all the way to 21-day brooding. Right now, there is no more heat. They can generate, and their body system can control it with its own inbuilt temperature. You can see they are very heavy. You can see that one there. You can see them here. You can see how big they are. This is the end of this particular video. Keep watching till we get to the 21. Bye for now. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it on the comment section regarding brooding for beginners.